Hey, I wanted to do a quick tour of how you can save your best prompts. So when you're prompting something, so for example, I'm prompting something to prioritize my day and ask Copilot to help me to prioritize my day. And this is my prompt. We don't care about the result, but if I think that this prompt is very beneficial, I don't want to run it and have to copy paste just like I did every time I need to do it. Maybe twice a day, maybe every day. I don't know how often you're going to use it. So when you're prompting something and you're happy with it, you can use this to save the prompt. So if you click here, you can name it uh, prioritize my day, if I can spell it right. And you just have to save it. When you do that, you will find the prompt. So if I go back here, you can say view prompts here. And when you click on view prompts, you see your prompts. And your prompts, you have all your prompts. And I should find prioritize my day, but for whatever reason, I don't see it. Oh, yeah, it is here. That's the first one, the latest one. So that's one way. And you can share, or you can grab the link and share it with people. You can manage access and share with whoever you want. But also, when you click on view prompts, there's more to it. There's see all prompts. When you do that, it will open apparently a different list with more stuff and it's evolving. So we should see the same prompt, my prompts and Microsoft prompts. There's tons of Microsoft prompts, but you see there's your prompts here and you can find all your prompts. So apparently, where is mine? Paradise. Interesting. I don't see my prompt. So let's see Teams prompt. No, no team prompts. You don't have any Teams prompt yet. So let's see your prompt. So I'm gonna take. I don't know why my. Maybe there's a little lag. But what's here is just prompt that I saved that are coming from Microsoft apparently. Maybe if I say create by me. Oh, I don't see it. So there's a disconnect here. That's very weird. It sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. I'm not sure why. But what I want to show you, so just first, it's not very stable. But second here, you can share now in team. So you can share in the team your prompt and you enter you can find the team that you have access to. So let's take this one and I'm going to share it. And I guess is when you do that in Teams prompt, yeah, now I see what I've shared. So that's a new feature. It's not fully there yet. It's really weird that my prompt, I don't see the prompt I just saved, but at least you can see it directly in Copilot. And in the future, when you're going to do that, you're going to also have the option to have to send it by Outlook. You can obviously copy the link and do that and send it by Outlook, but in the future, you will see an email here. So lesson learned is not at, everything is not at the same parity of experience when you're here, because here you see your prompts. When you go there, and unfortunately you see only Microsoft prompts, not the one that you built. That's weird, but I guess they're working on it. And in the future, you're gonna have an application called Prompt that you can add to Teams, and you will see directly all your prompts in Teams. Hope this was insightful. Last thing is when you have the same experience with the in the web, so you can have your prompts that you saved for the web that are different. So you can see here I have less, and so it's segmented by the scope. Either it's work or web, and you have two different lists. So just to let you know, and you can filter, I didn't show that, but you can filter the prompt by category. Before we were able to filter the prompt by applications, not anymore. So if I go back here and I go there, Before there were, I can filter by applications. If I go there, let's see, prompt gallery. Oh yeah, now it's mainly on the web prompt gallery that I can filter by application. So I can focus on just prompt that are not my prompt, but Microsoft prompt that are by job type. They add more and more job types here. So you can see in retail, what are the prompts that can be usable or interesting. And so let's see one example. Let's focus on human resources, for example. Here are the example of prompt, and you can, you know, there's a new feature. You can try it in an application. So I don't know what, and okay, it shows all the document I opened recently, and I can use it directly. So that's a new thing I just discovered. You can share, you can save the prompt if you think that prompt is interesting. Yeah, so they're adding more to the prompt gallery. It's something, I recommend everybody to look at because you have good list of prompt based on are the task you're doing every day or your role in the organization, the app they're using. If you want to know what are the prompts around PowerPoint that can be useful in human resources, you see all those prompts. You can play with that and get some ideas of what are the good prompts that can help you in your day-to-day work or role. And that's going through the web application of the prompt. But here, when you're directly in Copilot, you can see a list of prompts and you can divide them by task. Not You don't have the same filtering, but it's still somehow beneficial. Hope this was insightful.